Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on a super exciting adventure through one of Dubai's most iconic spots, DubaiCreek. We're in Dubai, where something truly magical is happening. Winter is here, and with it, a very special visit of flamingo birds. Yep, you heard that right. These majestic creatures are making their way here. Now, for most people, when they think of Dubai, they think of the scorching desert heat and those sunny, warm beaches. But what many don't know is that during the winter months, the weather here cools down, and it's a perfect time for migratory birds to stop by. And this includes our very elegant guests, the flamingos. Every year, thousands of flamingos visit Dubai's wetlands, lagoons, and mudflats. And this time of year is particularly special as the weather is just perfect for them. These birds are known for their striking pink color and graceful posture. And honestly, it's such a beautiful sight to see them up close. In Dubai, an abra refers to a traditional wooden boat that is commonly used for short trips across the city's waterways, particularly along DubaiCreek. These boats have been a vital mode of transport for centuries, offering both locals and tourists a scenic and functional way to travel between different parts of the city. The term Abra is often associated with Dubai's rich cultural heritage and historical significance in maritime trade and transportation. As we glide across the creek, you'll notice the contrast of the old and new. On one side, you've got the traditional markets, or souks, with the scent of spices and gold filling the air. And then, on the other, the shiny, futuristic skyline of downtown Dubai. It's a unique blend of history and modernity that you won't find anywhere else. Over here, on the Deira side, we have the famous gold souk and spice souk. These markets have been around for centuries and are a big part of the history of trade in Dubai. It's not just tourists who love this experience, families are a big part of the scene here. Just look at these guys. It's such a family-friendly activity, with little ones enjoying the gentle ride and parents relaxing while soaking in the views. You can really sense the fun, and it's such a peaceful way to spend time together, especially with the beautiful breeze and calm waters. Whether it's a fun outing with the kids or a family reunion, this boat ride offers a little bit of everything. You can chat, snap some photos, and even spot the occasional bird or two. It's the perfect way to spend quality time without feeling rushed. And the best part, this entire experience lasts about 30 minutes and costs only a 10. Seriously, for such a great experience, you can't beat the price. Did you know that RTA in Dubai operates not only traditional Abra boats, but also cruises along DubaiCreek? Whether you're looking for a quick ride across the water or a leisurely cruise, there's something for everyone. These boats offer an incredible way to see the city from a different perspective. For just a small fare, you get to experience the old-school charm of the city while enjoying the beautiful views. Whether you're a tourist or a local, it's a must-do experience. Let's hop on and explore. I mean, you can't deny DubaiCreek is such an Instagram-worthy spot. It's the perfect place to get that family photo with the water and the skyline behind you. Whether you're in the mood to just enjoy the moment or take some awesome pictures, the atmosphere is just unbeatable. when you're riding the famous Abra boats on DubaiCreek. But before we get started, it's super important to stay safe. When getting in and out of the boat, always be alert and watch your step, as the boats can be a bit wobbly. Make sure you hold on to the sides and take your time to avoid any accidents. Safety is key, even when enjoying the beautiful views of DubaiCreek. Let's enjoy the ride, but remember to stay cautious. Alright, now we're riding the Abra and leaving the port. As per the captain, this boat is fully licensed to operate in the creek area, so we're good to go. Just look at this amazing view. The sun is setting, casting a beautiful golden hue over the water. And as we cruise along, you can spot the tall buildings lining the shore, giving DubaiCreek that perfect mix of tradition and modernity. It's a breathtaking sight, don't you think? This is where you can take a ride across and explore what's on the other side. The Abra side has its own unique charm, less crowded, serene, and full of amazing sights. The other side of this beautiful waterway. Right here, we're looking at another Abra station, where you can hop on a boat and visit the Abra side. It's a whole different vibe over there. As you can see, this used to be a place of worship, and it holds a lot of history. People would come here for prayers and religious ceremonies, but in 2024, the temple was moved to a larger, more accessible area in Jebel Ali, where it continues to serve the community today. Before the move, this temple was one of the oldest in the area, attracting devotees from all over. It had a rich cultural significance, not just for locals, but for people from all over the world who came to pay their respects. We're here by the creek, and if you look closely, you'll spot the iconic Abra Twin Towers in the distance. These towers stand tall and impressive, offering an amazing contrast against the serene waters of the creek. It's such a beautiful sight to see, especially from this vantage point. If you're visiting the area, don't miss this view. It's truly breathtaking. We are now looking at the beautiful AOSIF area, and what's really amazing here is the eco-friendly architecture. This place is not just about looking great, it's all about sustainability and respecting the environment. Take a look at these buildings. They're designed to blend perfectly with the natural surroundings while using sustainable materials and energy-efficient technology. From a Abra ride, taking in one of the best views of the AOSIF area. Look at this from here. You can see how this place beautifully blends the charm of old Dubai with the modern vibe of today. From the Abra, you can also see the local shops, cafes, and even the traditional dhows on the water. It really feels like you're experiencing the heart of Dubai's culture while being surrounded by something so new and vibrant. As we float along, you can really appreciate how peaceful and serene this place feels. The water adds such a calming element to the whole atmosphere. And it's amazing to think how AIC has become this perfect mix of history and modern life. If you're visiting Dubai, this is definitely the best way to see AIC. The view from the Abra just gives you the perfect perspective of how this area brings the past and present together. And trust me, the vibe here is unforgettable. These buildings, even though they're brand new, are designed to look like an ancient village. It's incredible how they've captured that traditional architecture with those narrow walkways and beautiful wooden features. So, next time you're in the city, make sure to take an Abra ride across the water and soak in all the beauty of AIC. It's a journey you won't want to miss. We're here at the Creek area, and look what we've found, the tallest Christmas tree ever installed in Dubai. Isn't it stunning? This tree is more than just a holiday decoration. It represents Dubai's commitment to cultural integrity and freedom. You can see how the city celebrates a variety of traditions, embracing different cultures from around the world. Dubai is all about inclusivity and freedom, and this tree is a beautiful reflection of that spirit. It's amazing to see how diverse celebrations are welcomed and celebrated in such a vibrant city. So whether you're here for the holidays or just exploring, make sure to stop by and admire this incredible Christmas tree. It's a symbol of how Dubai brings together the old and new, blending cultures while keeping the festive spirit alive. Look at these stunning private yachts. It's amazing to see such luxury right here. Some of these yachts are clearly designed for leisure, while others might even be used for fishing trips out on the water. These fishing yachts are built for adventure on the open sea, perfect for those who want to explore the waters or go for a relaxing fishing day. It's so cool to see this mix of luxury and sport all in one place. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a day on the water, these yachts make it all possible. So there you have it, an unforgettable 30-minute boat ride across DubaiCreek. From the traditional Abra to the beautiful views of the old and modern city, it's a perfect way to experience the essence of Dubai with your loved ones. And for only a 10, it's totally worth it. Whether you're here solo or with your family, this is one experience you won't want to miss. Hey everyone, I just have to say this boat ride has been an absolutely unique experience. From the calm waters to the stunning views, it's been so peaceful and relaxing. The peaceful atmosphere, combined with the beauty of the surroundings, makes this ride so special. You really feel like you're disconnected from the world and just soaking in nature. I'm already thinking about doing this again. I mean, the excitement of being on the water and feeling so calm is something I definitely want to experience one more time. If you're ever in the area, trust me, this boat ride is a must-do. It's not just a ride, it's a peaceful journey you'll want to relive. Oh, it's been an amazing day out here, and now it's time to head back to the shore. But before we go, there's something I definitely can't forget to do. Here we are. Let's get this selfie. Nothing says Dubai like the Dairy Twin Towers in the background. Okay, mission accomplished. Got the selfie with the towers. And now it's time to finish our journey back to the shore. I hope you enjoyed this little moment with me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future adventures. Until next time, I'll see you on the next ride.